There's no denying that good food brings families together. Make it Italian and an everyday meal now becomes a memorable one. Here to show us how to cook some of our favorite Italian dishes is Executive Chef Rick Secko. How are you?
I'm fantastic, Viv.
Good.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Thank you. I feel very welcome. And I'm thrilled to see that you've got some scallops in the pan. I'll ask you about that in just a minute.
No problem.
But what I really want to talk about is why is it when people are deciding where to go for dinner or what to eat, Italian food comes up over and over again?
Well, Italian food and pasta is very versatile. It's really fresh and flavorful and takes on the freshness of the ingredients that you put in the dish. So there's always something for everyone.
People just love it, right?
That they do.
Seems like pasta is really easy to make, too.
Very, very easy. And you know what? At the same point in time, you take advantage of the freshest ingredients that you can get in order to make sure that you're enhancing those flavors of your pasta.
Oh, okay. So you've got some scallops in here and you're adding shrimp.
I am adding some shrimp to that pan.
So tell me what you're making. Wow.
This is shrimp and scallop spaghettini.
Oh, okay.
So I had some olive oil in there, made sure that I put my scallops in, seared one side, and then seasoned with some salt and pepper.
Oh, very nice. And now you're just flipping the whole thing?
Just a flip to give it a nice coat of all that oil and get the cooking all the way through.
So what are you adding now?
This is roasted garlic. So,
okay. Ooh, smells good.
You got it. The flavors of roasted garlic and the aromas are amazing. It's something that is cooked down from full garlic cloves and then pureed in a food processor.
Oh, okay. So Rick, you're an executive chef at Eastside Mario's. I know you see a lot of people enjoying Italian food. I'm curious, do you help decide what ends up on the menu?
That's actually one of my favorite parts of the job.
Ooh, you decide what stays, what goes.
Well, our guests ultimately decide what goes.
So now you're adding the pasta over here. You have this cooking, but not from the beginning.
No, not from the beginning. What I've done is I've par-cooked that pasta just till it's just below al dente, and now I'm just going to finish it up before I put it in the pan.
So what is that you're adding in there?
White wine.
Ooh.
So we got some classic cooking techniques going on here, where we've seared some scallops, added in some seasoning, roasted garlic, and now we're deglazing the pan, actually, with that white wine.
I'm learning so much. And I'm getting a nice little suntan here, too. So tell me, what are these other dishes that you prepared?
So what we've got up here is 16 layers full of chunks of Italian sausage, bolognese sauce, and creamy mozzarella cheese.
Wait a minute, 60 layers.
Unbelievable.
That sounds like something you would have come up with, right?
Yeah, I did. It's got some creamy mozzarella in there, big chunks of Italian sausage, and a beef bolognese sauce.
Sounds very good. And there's a salad, I see.
Yes, there is, with jumbo scallops and black tiger shrimp. Over a bed of crisp romaine and spinach with Kalamata olives.
And that looks like a chicken parmigiana,
It
right?
is a chicken parmigiana that's hand-breaded.
Okay. And what's the last dish you have?
Last one is a steak pepperonata. And so that's got roasted peppers, a great 8-ounce New York steak, and then linguine in a fresh tomato sauce with roasted garlic and basil.
Wow, everything looks amazing. This is all ready to go.
It certainly is.
You have one already prepared? Is that the one that we can try?
I do. I've got one already prepared for us to try.
I can't wait. And thank you so much
bet.
for having me here in your
There's
kitchen.
your four.
Thanks.
And here's our shrimp and scallop
Okay.
spaghettini.
Looks great.
Enjoy.
To find out about cooking all things Italian and other great recipe ideas, go to betterlivingtv.ca/cooking.